insurance companies know that there's a sinkhole.
But because of a law on the books in Florida, they don't have to do anything about it. 8 on Your Side investigator Shannon Benkin has been looking into this loophole. And Shannon, really, homeowners are almost helpless here, powerless.
That's right, guys. Check this out. Everything in yellow here was added to Florida law in 2011, and legislators said that it was to reduce the insurance premiums, but what it really did was eliminate your chances to stop a sinkhole before it damages your house.
These thick cracks prompted State Farm Insurance to drill deep beneath this Valrico home, and they found it in time. Conditions ripe for a sinkhole. So why in the world would State Farm choose to not stabilize the house before a sinkhole opened up?
They told him, oh, you're fine. And so now, 8 months later, we know what the definition of fine is.
The hole is 6 feet deep. 2 families had just minutes to flee. 8 on Your Side discovered State Farm not only knew about the danger and did nothing, but the company got away with it because of Florida law.
I think any time that you go from one extreme to the other, you do a disservice to your constituencies.
Before 2011, insurance companies were forced to get involved right away, even on the slightest incident. But look at this clarification in bright yellow. The entire definition of structural damage was changed. In other words, you might get some help once your house falls in a hole.
You wait until the hole opens up and people are very scared for their family's safety and they're concerned for their property. And then and only then are you seeing a bunch of reactionary type work from the insurance companies to try to make the situation right.
Aren't thick cracks in the floor proof enough that there is structural damage? State Farm didn't think so.
Does State Farm believe that there is structural damage at the home as it sits now, even with a hole? Because that soil condition was there before.
Attorney David Murray advises buying sinkhole insurance is a waste of time. It does nothing. If a massive hole opens, property owners are covered under general catastrophic coverage. But that's little comfort to those wanting to prevent the unimaginable from happening.
In the Valrico case, State Farm is now trying to stabilize the ground the way the homeowners think they should have done months ago, because that doesn't help other people in the neighborhood that might now be worried that they have the same kind of activity going on underneath the ground.
Now, you can't help but think it's possible. I mean, when you see it happening down the street. So does the law need to be changed in any way? I mean, we're looking at all of these nice highlighted areas
You
here.
look at that, it's unbelievable. We sure think it needs to be changed again because it is a loophole and people are, they're getting away with it. They're not doing what homeowners think they need to be doing.
Yeah.
So we've reached out to lawmakers and we're hoping that they'll come back and do something else again.
And we know you'll stay on it. Thank you very much, Shannon.